Yeah, this next joint right here. It's dedicated to all my niggas that I love. All the niggas that held it down with me. It was a whole shit from the beginning. The now current day.
That's right.
Beginning of the birth of this whole shit. To the now success of this whole
All
shit.
my niggas, man. Yo.
6983, the date of my birth. They should've pushed me back in for what it was worth to be blessed by God's spirit to be on this earth. I should be crawling around in the dirt like an earthworm. Come and get your turn, come sit down. Please come and learn that it's a taste of pie and it's never enough. And when you make it, that's when niggas call you bluff. And when you come up, that's when they've had enough. I'm looking at life like that's what's up. It's a blessing, I guess. I can't contest or confess. So in life I never settle for less than what I need and what I want. The finer things in life, you know I can't front. It's a dog-eat-dog world, but I don't eat my own kind. I'm just on this earth trying to shine. Know what I'm saying?